Welcome to my channel. To ethically attract wealth and wisdom through practices associated with blue sapphire, often tied to the law of attraction or LOA, you could focus on methods that align with positive intentions and respect for the gem's significance. Here are some principles and ethical practices to keep in mind. 1. Set clear intentions. Before using blue sapphire, set clear, positive, and constructive intentions. Think about how wealth and wisdom will enhance your life and help others. For example, instead of wanting wealth for its own sake, focus on financial stability, sharing knowledge, or making a positive impact. 2. Understand the symbolism of blue sapphire. Blue sapphire is often linked to Saturn, Shani, in Vedic astrology, symbolizing discipline, responsibility, and deep spiritual understanding. This stone traditionally represents honesty, wisdom, and prosperity. Acknowledge these values when working with the stone to honor its energy and align with its properties. 3. Practice gratitude and abundance. Mindset. Gratitude is essential in LOA practices. Appreciate what you have and trust in the flow of abundance. This mindset can naturally attract more wealth and wisdom without forcing results. 4. Meditate with blue sapphire. Meditating with blue sapphire can help calm your mind, improve focus, and enhance spiritual insight. Visualize blue light surrounding you, representing peace, wisdom, and financial stability, reinforcing these qualities in your life. 5. Ethically source. Blue sapphire. If you're acquiring blue sapphire, make sure it's sourced ethically. Research sellers to ensure their stones are obtained without exploitative labor or environmental harm. 6. Practice self-discipline and patience. Blue sapphire is linked to Saturn, which emphasizes hard work, patience, and commitment. Commit to learning and growing both personally and professionally. This will likely lead to both wealth and wisdom over time. 7. Give back and stay grounded. Balance your focus on wealth with generosity. Giving back, whether through time, resources, or knowledge, is essential in LOA and creates a flow that helps sustain abundance. Using blue sapphire in these ways can be a powerful ethical approach to attracting wealth and wisdom while staying true to its rich traditions and meaning. I think I have brought you something useful. Thanks for watching my channel.